Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a cotton material fabric face mask that you can use to cover your face, especially with everything that's going on right now. You guys want to get like an affordable face mask that's reusable. So first thing first, let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first, and then we're gonna do a quick test of the product itself to see whether or not it's actually reusable and it's actually washable and whatnot. So the one that I purchased right here actually comes in a pack of 5, if you guys can see, and it's all sealed up so you guys know it's brand new and whatnot. And they actually have like a certificate right here to prove that it's legit or whatever, so that's actually pretty cool. But let's just open up one of them to show you guys what it looks like. I definitely love how it's like all sealed up so you guys know it's like brand new and not used and whatnot. So when we open up, this is basically what it looks like. So in terms of the material itself, it definitely feels super comfortable because it feels super soft and whatnot. But I feel like this kind of material won't really protect you guys as well as like any other face covers out there, because the material itself doesn't feel like it's thick enough to kind of like protect you. But let's actually put it on to show you guys what it looks like. So one thing to remember is that when you guys put this on, don't pull it too hard. They actually warn you guys on the listing itself to put on like slowly and don't yank it too hard or pull it too hard because it'll actually break really easily. But let's put it on first. So this is basically what it looks like, if you guys can see. So when I try to like exhale through the actual mask itself, I don't really feel like the saliva, I don't feel like the actual air coming out of my mouth and whatnot, unless I breathe like super hard. If I'm just talking, it doesn't feel like really annoying or whatever, so that's actually really good. In terms of coverage itself, definitely is covering your whole entire face. I'm not too sure if this actually would work really well for like protection and whatnot, but definitely works good as like a face mask to kind of cover every part of your face and actually mouth and nose and whatnot, and it feels super comfortable. And the look of it actually looks pretty nice. So this is basically what it looks like, but let's actually go through a quick wash test and everything, and then we'll come back and try it and see when it actually still works and whatnot. Alright, so here we have the face mask right here. We're gonna do a quick test to show you guys whether or not it's actually washable and reusable and whatnot. So let me just rinse this off really quick. Alright. So if you guys want to, you guys can add soap and whatever onto it. I'm not gonna add soap right now because I haven't used it outdoor yet. I only use this indoor, so I don't need to add soap or anything. If you guys really want to, you guys definitely can. So all we have to do now is just squeeze out the liquid from the actual face cover or face mask itself. And just air dry or whatever, just hang it somewhere to let it dry by itself, so that way you guys can use it again once it's finished drying up. So definitely a really cool product, super easy to clean, super easy to maintain and everything. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the washing test, you guys can see that it is washable and reusable, which is pretty nice. You guys don't want to wash it too hard though, because if you guys do, you guys might pull like the wrong fabric and damage it and whatnot. But definitely really cool how it's reusable and rewashable. The only issue, like how I mentioned earlier though, is the fact that I feel like the coverage is not too well for this product, but definitely it's better than nothing. So that's actually really cool and super useful to have any kind of face mask in general. So this is kind of like an alternative if you guys really can't get like a legit face mask that can protect you really well. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I don't think this is really that worth it if you guys want the protection. But if you guys really can't find like a legit face mask that's like affordable and can actually be protective or not, then this is like your last resort to go for if you guys really can't find a face mask. So pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth it if you guys really can't find a good face mask and whatnot. But if you guys can buy a good face mask and you guys can actually afford one, then definitely go buy a more affordable one that can actually work really well compared to this one. But other than that, that's much it for the little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout, there we have.